Everyone on YouTube is trying to sell their own personal here's how to trade Forex course. If you're like me, you've probably spent hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars just trying to figure it all out, only to find yourself still losing. If that's you, don't go anywhere because I got something special just for you. By the way, I am the farthest thing from a financial advisor. I'm just a guy probably like you who's trying to obtain financial freedom in my life, and I'm journaling every step of the way. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button down there below so you don't miss one single step along the way. And if you get something out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button too. Okay, if you are new to the Forex world, you may not be aware of this yet, but maybe you have noticed that everyone on YouTube is trying to sell you a course for how to trade Forex. They all are like self-professed Forex gurus. They all claim to be an expert, and we believe them because they have like hundreds of videos on their YouTube channel and like 50,000 subscribers. So we fall for it, right? If you haven't experienced this before, I promise you, you will. You watch somebody's videos, maybe a couple of them, and then you check out their course. Throughout the video, they say, hey, I got this course for you as well, and you check it out. It costs $300, $400, something like that. But because, like me, you are driven to obtain financial freedom in your life, you fork out the money for the course, right? And listen, here's what happens. Here's what happens. You start going through the course, right? You start going through the course, and you realize all of this content that this person has recorded and you paid for, all of this person's strategies, almost all of it is all over YouTube and for free. It's already there. If you would have just searched a little longer, you could have gotten the exact same content for free. I'm telling you, you are going to fall for the so-called Forex guru and his course. We all do at some point in time. And that is why I'm here. Every now and then on Next Level Forex, I'm going to share with you about a course that I purchased. And it may be a great course. It may be a course that I feel like was not worth anything, right? But it's one that I purchased. I paid money for. And I'm going to tell you flat out whether I liked it or whether I didn't like it, whether I think it's worth the money or not. And the very first one we're going to look at today, I thought it would be good that we looked at something I absolutely love. And this one I absolutely love. Now, before I jump into this, please know I'm not trying to sell you a course. I don't even have my own course to sell. And the course that I'm talking about throughout this video today, they are not paying me one single penny to tell you how great their course is. I do not have a referral link so that if you go and subscribe, well, then I make a little bit of commission from that. The only thing that I might gain from sharing with you about this course is your subscription and your thumbs up, hopefully. So let's jump into this course I absolutely love. I have to be honest, though, I have no idea how I'm supposed to pronounce this, okay? This is either FAIZ or FAIZ SMC, and obviously SMC is short for Smart Money Concepts. If you have ever watched any of the ICT videos, you know how incredibly long and drawn out they can be, right? What I love about this course I'm talking about today that I'm showing you is this guy has taken several of these ICT strategies and simplified them, made them easy for people like you and me to understand. So let's take a look at this. FAIZ or FAIZ SMC Trading Course. I'm already logged in. That's why it says resume course here. Benefits that you get, it's $97 one-time payment if you're wondering, right? Not like the $300 and $400 fake gurus out there. I'm going to show you all of this. You get access to the private Discord server, any kind of updates that he does, which happen every now and then as well. And so let me show you this. He starts out, he has all of these videos right here, right? Starts out with the Smart Money Concepts concepts basics. All right, these are like the foundational concepts you need in order to understand the strategies that he's going to share in this next section. He talks about market structure shifts, liquidity, fair value gaps, premium and discount zones, and then order blocks. And the longest video, what I love about this is the order blocks down here is the longest video in the entire section. It's only 11 minutes long. Now, to me, that's a perk. Listen, no Forex trader has ever existed on the face of the planet who wants to go through hours upon hours upon hours of coursework before he can place one single trade. You want to get into it, right? You want to place a trade. You want to make a little bit of money. You want to take your next steps towards that financial freedom. I know that because that's me. You see, I'm a teacher by trade, and I know that one of the marks of a great teacher is the ability to adequately teach the subject matter that you need to teach in a shorter amount of time. I love that about this guy. He's to the point, yet he's very thorough at the same time. So many of these concepts and strategies do not need an hour-long video to teach. Do not be fooled into thinking that the length of the video is synonymous with the quality. That is simply not true all of the time. Now, in the second section, we get into the actual strategies. This is like the meat and potatoes right here. You're going to take everything that you learned in that first section, the foundational concepts that you learned, you're going to be beginning to put them all together to be able to figure out how to actually make some trades. And so you can see here, there's the order flow strategy, which is a core one. There's the Asian session strategy, New York session strategy, the ABC strategy, the under-over pattern, the 9:30 a.m. strat, and a few more as well. Now, I've had this course for several months now. I haven't gotten through all of it. There is so much variety in this. And he even says in the course, don't try to master every single strategy, even though there's a whole bunch of them that you can go through. He says, you know what, pick one, pick two maybe that fit you and your style of trading, and then master those. And the third and the final section is an absolutely amazing section. It is jam-packed full of gold nuggets. What do you use for confluences to give you that additional confirmation? Okay, I can take this trade now. I think it's going to be pretty good. The odds are in my favor. There's more trading examples in here. And this last one is huge. Risk management. If you do not understand risk management, you're going to blow account after account after account. I'm telling you, from personal experience, it's going to happen. And then psychology as well. If you are a new Forex trader, I'm telling you, you need to take some time and just watch some videos in YouTube, especially this one here if you get this course, on the psychology behind it, because there are some emotions that are going to run rampant in you. When you win, you're going to want to trade more. When you lose, you're going to beat yourself up and you're going to want to revenge trade, and there's just all kinds of things there. And this is some great stuff in this course right here. Another thing that I love about this course is it's not time zone dependent. And here's what I mean by that. It's not a course that teaches you just one strategy, that it has to be traded. You can only take certain trades during a specific time of day. For example, for me, I'm in America. I'm in Central Time Zone. And so when the London session opens, for me, it's 2 a.m. and I'm sound asleep. I mean, I'm snoring and drooling all over the pillow at that point in time, right? There are strategies that are taught in this course that are great for London session. There are strategies taught in this course that may be better suited for New York session, or when the two of them overlap. And then there are strategies that can be used any time of day. I love that about this course and the variety that is offered. Now, I mentioned earlier, you may have seen it on the website, the cost is $97. I know for some people that may be a big chunk of change. However, can I just tell you, I've seen some courses that are very similar to this that cost upwards of $2,000, and some that can't even begin to compare to this for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I'm telling you, this one is worth every penny of the $97. Now, there's one final thing that I want to show you, and that is his Discord channel, just to give you just a brief kind of look into what is offered here. Of course, there's the welcome and the rules, that most Discord channels, if you have seen Discord channels before, most of them have that sort of thing. Mentor charts, he doesn't post a whole lot in here, but there is some. I love this section down here. You got the team setups. People can post their own setups and what they're looking up, their own markups and that sort of thing. People can post their profits and losses in here. Of course, testimonials, general chat. You can just chat about trading in general. What I love are these 4 channels right here, or 4 rooms if you want to call them that. ABC setups, order flow setups, ABCD setups, and then the 9:30, 8:30 a.m. stretch setups as well. And so you can really get honed in to these specific strategies. It's 4 of the more popular strategies that he has to offer in his course. And so it's a great Discord channel that's available, that's included in this course as well. So $97 for the course, and I'm telling you, it is worth every single penny of that $97. If you're interested in purchasing it for yourself, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And you know what? If you've ever purchased a course yourself that has worked for you, I'd love to hear about it. Post a comment down below. Let me know what course that is. If you have a referral link, put that in there as well, because if I'm going to buy the course, I'd love for you to at least get a little bit back for it, you know? I hope this video has helped you today. If it has, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I truly believe that financial freedom is available for every single one of us. I hope you can take your next step towards financial freedom yourself. Till next time, this is Next Level Forex. Be blessed.